I'm Daniel, Snapshade's founder and principal engineer.
I'm Ben, I'm the industrial designer here at Snapshades.
At Snapshades, we have a unique offering of shades for over 1,700 different car models,
which is the largest range in Australia.
We are also the original equipment manufacturer for high-profile brands across the country.
Everything's designed here in-house at a headquarters in Sydney.
Let us take you through the process.
When designing a new shade, the first step is sourcing a car to measure, whether that's from an interested customer or an external hire. Using our cutting-edge coordinate measuring machine, we're able to efficiently gather the dimensions of the window we're sizing. Then we bring these measurements into CAD, where we use them to create our shade design, which we then send over to our factory. Using 3D printing, we're able to quickly prototype new product ideas that expand our range and improve our customer experience.
We chose the shade material to strike a balance between safety and sun protection. We've achieved the golden ratio. Snapshades block 84.6% of UV rays, while also keeping your car blind spots visible at a 30-degree angle. This way, we can keep people both inside and outside of the car safe. The shade absorbs heat from the outside, keeping your car and passengers cooled passively. It serves as a removable tint, providing privacy to the interior of your car. Each Snapshade is designed to be as easy as possible to install, while also providing maximum coverage and endurance. We really revolutionize car sunshades here at Snapshades.
Once we receive our prototype shade from the factory, we test it out on the car to check fitment, and then it's ready to send out to you, the customer.
And that's the Snapshades difference.